Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, I'm going to share freshers hiring in AUTODESK company. Let's jump into the video. Friends, before we start, I would like you to visit my website, which is google360.com. You can click on the star icon. So the reason I'm asking you to bookmark is so that you can access this website easily. And this website has more than 500 plus active jobs. So you can take a look and apply for those roles. And keeping that aside, we are going to discuss about this job, AUTODESK intern hiring. So these two are also junior Java developer and junior QA engineer, also for freshers hiring only. So you can take a look and apply. And keeping that aside, opening this job, intern at AUTODESK, I'm gonna open apply for job and just open this AUTODESK workday. So it will push us into the company's website. So once we are in the company's website, you can take a look at here. So what kind of person they are looking for? They are looking for a person who is pursuing bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, coding skills in any high level OOP language like Java, C++ or Python, and develop any UI applications during your college projects using React, JavaScript, HTML or CSS. Use Node.js and Express as a backend technologies. Aptitude and attitude to learn new technologies, aware of SDLC, exposure to clouds such as AWS, Azure, GCP, understanding of CI/CD, competitive programming, good problem solving skills and understanding of DSA, data structures and algorithms. So basically friends, there are a lot of things mentioned here in the qualifications part, so forget about everything. What you can do is you can have knowledge on one programming language, either Java, C++ or Python, one programming language. I'm telling you, one programming language. And second, one web-based language. It would be HTML and CSS would be more than enough, I would say. And these all are they mentioned, but they won't ask you anything. As I said, one programming language and one web language is enough for you. And keeping that aside, let's talk about the responsibilities. You should work with team to define scalable and innovative design, high quality development of web applications that will be delivered as SaaS service on AWS cloud infrastructure. You will be designing RESTful API microservices and UI in Node.js and React. Design codes, tests, bugs and document software. Exposure to industry leading DevOps principle. So basically, as I said, one programming language, one web-based language, and having some knowledge on cloud would be good. Recommended, but it's okay to have one programming language and one web language, which is not a big deal. And however, they will train you once you are hired. They won't expect an expert to work as an intern. Then click on if you want to apply, just click on apply. And if you have a resume, you can apply to the resume. You can just click like use my last application. It will ask you to log in. So you need to log in from here. Once you have logged in, you can apply for the role, enter the details, whatever have been asked on the form or on the page, and then you can apply for the role. Then keeping that aside, let's talk about how much this company is going to pay the interns. For freshers, the salary would be around 15 LPA, that's for sure. But for interns, it would be less. The intern salary is like 3,83,000, which is like 4.2 you can assume. 2,85,000 for this fresher. So you can assume 3.6 LPA as a normal or an average salary for the intern. But the good thing is you might get an opportunity to get a full-time job in this AUTODESK company. And that's it friends, that's it for this video. In my upcoming video, I will be sharing more relevant information. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you and have a great day.